Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Amanda and welcome to my channel, RN2 Realty. So today I'm going to show you a chainsaw that I purchased at Harbor Freight. I've already unboxed it, but I just want to show you what it looks like. So it is a 14-inch electric chainsaw by Portland. Alright, and this is the power cord attachment. You'll notice that it has like an encasing, so more than likely you'll need an extension cord to use it with. This is the cover for the blades, or for the chainsaw rather. This is what the blade looks like. Alright, put that back on. And then you'll notice it has a nice grip for your hands. Right, and it's not too heavy, which is good. This is my first time actually ever using a chainsaw, so I was nervous, as you can imagine, but it was definitely worth the $39.99 that I purchased it for. This is where you put the oil for the chain. Alright, just cover that back up, and this is the level of oil that you've got. Mine came with a bottle, and I put the whole bottle inside. It was at 120 when I filled it up, and obviously after using it for a little bit, it's down to 70, so I need to get another bottle if I plan on using it again. I'll show you a video of how well the saw works. For me cutting down a tree for the first time. So I hope you all enjoy the review, and if you are looking for a cheap, I want to say cheap, but an economical, which is another nice word for cheap, saw, and you've never used a saw before and you're a little nervous about using one, then I would advise you purchase this one from Harbor Freight, and give it a shot. Just make sure you read the instructions first before you use it. But luckily it came put together already. The only thing I had to do was put the oil in there.
Look at this double guard 9-1 Oregon chainsaw coming at you with the low price of $40. It's able to cut through 2 trees as seen from our previous experiences.
This tree is coming down using this saw.
And that at the end.